In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Before we dive into the clicks, remember that deleting your account is a serious, irreversible action. Once it's gone, your profile, photos, videos, comments, and followers will eventually be removed and you won't be able to get them back. So if there's anything you want to save, such as photos or reels, make sure you download or back them up first. When you're ready, start by going to your Instagram home dashboard. You can do this in a web browser on your computer or on your phone by visiting the Instagram website and logging into your account. Make sure you're signed into the account you actually want to delete. From the home dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile. This will open your profile area where you can see your posts, your bio, and your profile picture. Next, at the top of this profile section, you'll see a small gear icon next to your username. Click on that gear icon. This is the shortcut that opens your settings menu. From the menu that appears, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where Instagram keeps most of the options related to how your account works and how your data is handled. Inside Settings and Privacy, look for an option called Account Center and click on it. The Account Center is where Meta groups together your Instagram and, if connected, your other Meta accounts in one place. Once you're inside the Account Center, find and click on Manage Accounts. This section shows all the accounts linked to your profile. Now, next to the specific Instagram account you want to delete permanently, you'll see a Manage button. Click on Manage beside that account. Double check here that you've selected the correct account, especially if you have more than one. In the account management screen, look for the option called Deactivation or Deletion and click on it. This is where Instagram lets you choose between temporarily disabling an account or removing it completely. On the next screen, select Delete Account. This confirms that you're not just deactivating it, but actually planning to remove it for good. Finally, click on Continue. Instagram may ask you to confirm your choice, possibly by entering your password or answering a quick question. Follow the prompts, and once you confirm, your request to permanently delete your Instagram account will be submitted.